Hey there, my name is Adam and this is my renovation here on Iris Street. It took me until the end of July to start mudding all of the drywall, but I finally get around to it this week, so let's put some mud on the walls. Today's the day, it's finally happening. I'm starting the process of mudding all this drywall. You can see I'm off to a great start making a mess with my mudding bucket. After getting that cleaned up, I try out my new mixing drill and mixing paddle for the first time. This paddle mixes beautifully, but the shape of the paddle does scrape off little bits of plastic from the bucket into the mud, so down the road I'll switch to a different paddle. You can see I'm starting taping in the closet. This is Charlie's bedroom closet. I'm starting with the least visible parts of the house, like the closets and the bedrooms, and working my way to the front of the house so I can practice on the parts of the house that are least visible first. So, sorry Charlie, or what I'm calling Charlie's bedroom. It's the guinea pig of the mudding project. On Saturday, my good friend and old colleague, Kayla Jordan, is getting married to Alex. Both people I used to play board games with, and I haven't seen them in quite some time, so it was awesome to see them and to see their wedding. The ceremony here took place at Alex's parents' house out in Keensburg, and it was just a beautiful day, so here's a few shots from their wedding. On Sunday, Mom and Dad came up to help me mud, and we just cracked at it all day. Dad spent a lot of time mudding on the ceiling, Mom was mudding screws on the wall, and I spent the day mudding as many factory joints as I could. In hindsight, I probably could have used a little less mud, and down the road, you'll see me use something called the super taper, which makes mudding with tape a lot more efficient and applies the mud to the tape a lot more consistently and makes sure I don't use as much mud as I am here, but you've got to start somewhere. Ideally, I would have done a room at a time so that I kind of learned all the different techniques, but we were kind of assembly lining this thing. So, one person was doing screw holes, one person was doing the ceiling, one person was doing taping. With any of these kinds of things, you get better as you go. So we at least got a lot of mudding done today. There's going to be some sanding I'll have to do, but all in all, we got a lot done today. On Monday, I took a break from mudding to work on my bike. You might be able to see I'm talking over myself here, but I wanted to show you what I'd been working on with my bike. The seat post had been seized for several years and I needed to pull it out to adjust it from a big bike rake coming up in about 3 weeks. 2 bike shops were unable to pull the seat post, and I thought I might not ever get it out, but after a little Googling, I came across Shane Brown's thread about pulling seat posts and working on bikes, and he mentioned that you could make a jig, especially for carbon fiber bikes, to use the mechanical advantage of threads and pushing down on the frame and pulling up on the seat post concomitantly to basically undo the Chinese finger lock mechanism that makes these carbon fiber seat posts so hard to remove. Amazingly, I got the thing removed, and I'll post a video link up above to the full tutorial I did on this because it worked so well. Anyways, just wanted to show the process. I'm really happy I got this seat post out because it was a pain in the ass, but yeah, I got it out. As the weeks tick by, you're going to see a lot of days like today, where I'm just drywalling one little part of the house or mudding a part of the house just to keep progress going. Specifically today, I'm drywalling and mudding around the HVAC cold air return that had to be fitted into the closet in Charlie's bedroom. Just like that, week 92 is over. I'll see you back next week for week 93.